Hello everyone, welcome to my sketch vlog. So today I'm sketching this character. I've already started and then I just starting recording this video. So here I'm sketching a goblin kind of character, and I have done most of the design decision very roughly, and then I'm going to refine it with my mechanical pencil. And if everything is going fine, I will also try to use my alcohol marker to blend the values and see how it will go from there. So right now I'm trying to figure out this armor thing, how it's going to be. I really like the expression, what's going on here. So he's really enjoying whatever is happening around him. His gesture is more like hunchback, so maybe it's due to the heavy armor, or maybe the age, due to the old age he is in, so maybe that's why he's a little bit hunchback. Whenever I try to new thing, let's say I really want to do something on his head, I go over with very light lines and then see if it's working or not. Like I'm imagining some kind of feather on his head, so maybe it's working like that. And then once I can see the forms happening there, then I can refine it with the final line. Can add some design element, but very rough, because if I will go over the markers, like these all lines is going to be smudged out, so maybe I will redefine those elements. I'm not committed with this design, just making some patterns, some texture to give me some hint of texture, some design element. I want to add a little bit texture on the horns as well, so same thing, creating some marks which is defining the form as well as the texture as well of this horn. What I've experienced throughout my career for sketching these ideas, yet you should have been in good mood. Like your mood should be very energetic, and once you are in a zone, in a good mood, the design or the ideas coming out of your pencil or your whatever medium you're using is like a water, like flow in a flow. So you should be in a good mood. Don't be stressed, don't be like, because this is the fun part of sketching for yourself. Like you're not doing any client work, you're just sketching for yourself. Even if I do client work, I try to play some music or watch some my favorite movie or series before starting any work. Obviously, on job situation, you can't do this kind of things, but that's really important to get into some zone. Whenever the fingers are together, like joined together, people usually like literally make them join together like this. Let's say this is the thumb, and then three fingers together, and then one finger separated. It's like kind of a gesture, and then it's a nice way to keep the design going on, and then also don't worry about the hand's anatomy, something like that. And one more thing you need to keep in mind whenever you have a chance to add darker spaces, like I have this darker area, add those darker values in it, because this is going to be add contrast in your drawing, so it's really helpful. Maybe I can repeat this kind of shape, it's very nice on armors as well as other areas. Like here I can repeat this design element because repetition is really important. You can take any design, like very good design from movies or cartoons, and you can see there are some repetition of shapes, patterns, or elements here and there, because it make harmony in your character as well. So I'm right now sketching on Coffee Note sketchbook. It's not a sketchbook, it's like notebook. It's a UK based company, and these papers are actually made out of coffee cups. You know, the coffee cups, you used coffee cups, and then they recycle it and create these beautiful these are really beautiful papers. So I really like the texture, and it's also good for watercolors as well. Let me show you some watercolor sketches. So here we have marker, but inks, and this one is watercolor. So, and it's not like too much it's not wibble wobble, like, even though the paper is very much thin. I think it's like 90 or 80 GSM, but still it takes watercolor very nice. Maybe I can add some chain texture, like some armor. Sketching is mostly about guessing, like how you're going to shape. You need to guess um, how it's going to be when you see in different angle. Like right now I'm seeing this arm in this way, so I'm guessing how it's going to be, his arm is going to be look like. So it's not about exact like mechanics of arms or anatomy of arm. You need to be nice, you need to have a nice guess. Like there might be very much like a imperfection in anatomy, but at the end it will look nicer because it gives you the hint of the reality. And that's the good thing about fantasy character or cartoon character or character design. You're just giving the hint of the realities, because there is no real character like this exists in the real life. So you're just giving the hints, closure. Maybe I can add this diamond shape here. I'm already thinking about smudging with the coal marker, so I'm not worried about if my hand is going to smudge any line. So now I'm going to go with my alcohol marker. So I think that's the one. I'm leaving some white area to get nice shine effect, because it's like a metal. So I'm rendering all of these forms according to the material. So it's just about material indication, because it's not final painting, it's a sketch. But even in a sketch you can give some little information about what material it is. Like if it's like cloth, so you can add folds and shade accordingly. So I hope you like this sketch, and I really like this one. I can go one more layer of like sketching with graphite pencil and go again with my alcohol marker to get a little bit second layer of detailing, but I'm happy with this right now. I hope you like this video. Please let me know your thoughts and comments, and share this video if you like, so it will help me to grow more. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.